Okay guys, I'm gonna open my July 7 Paradise Fibers box. I am still in my pajamas and it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But I worked this morning and I usually work in my pajamas, so. I'm currently spinning something from the June box for the Tour de Fleece. If you want to see it, I will link it below. It's just an update, but I think I'm gonna finish today. You ready? Oh, hey, dun, dun. So it looks like the theme is fireworks. How fun. All right, look, everybody knows I love glitter. I was just telling someone I used to try to be classy and pretend like I didn't have feelings for glitter. And now I feel sad because I lost so much time with glitter. Like, we could have had so many more happy years together. Get out. Look at this box, first of all. Just look at it. Look, my sheep. Oh. Uncle Sam sheep. Oh my God. Love how cute he is. Alright, there is like a sample of Unicorn Baby laundry detergent. I didn't even know they made laundry detergent. That's going to be fun to try. I'm going to open this one because I can see it. Ooh, look. This is really packed in here. I bet you there's 4 ounces here at least. Whoa. This would be, oh yeah, 4 ounces of firework, a Fiber Club exclusive superfine merino and glitter Stellina Angelina blend in a black organza bag. Are you kidding? Look at that. That's like my whole childhood in the 80s all in one little 4-ounce bundle. Who knew you could do that? Then love. Next, because I can see this. Oh, we got a coupon code. For $10 off because there was a delay, which I didn't even notice because I've been real busy. Look at this, you guys. Ooh, woo, woo. Look at that color. Gosh. Oh my gosh. So red, white, and blue. I know some of the people that watch this are not in the US, but this would celebrate our Independence Day. I don't even know if I have any red Angelina in the house. Look at that. Oh yeah. Beautiful. And then this says it is 3 ounces rainbow dyed lesser wool fleece scoured in a, oh my gosh. Alright, so I do not usually incorporate locks, but I've been thinking maybe I should be doing that more for weaving yarns. I hope this doesn't offend anybody, but I don't love them. Look at this. Whew. For knitting yarns, because I find it really hard to make things that find patterns that look right with yarn that's super crazy textured. So, oh my gosh, these are beautiful though. But I think I could weave some stuff with textured yarns that would be more suitable and really beautiful. So, and also some candy. I'll give that to the boys. And then there is a note in here about Tour de Fleece. I am actually, like I said, spinning something from the June box for Tour de Fleece right now. So if anybody wants to check that out, you can see an update on it. Those are stuff. I'll post that video below, and I hope you're all having a wonderful summer. Unless you're in Australia or New Zealand or anywhere below the equator, then I hope you're having a wonderful winter. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!